All right, so the next lab that we're going to take a look at is called determining mu. And for those of you who don't know, this is over on the left over here. This is mu, Pokemon number 151 on red, blue versions, the original versions. And the only way you could get it during the game was to use the Golden Nugget Bridge glitch. Where you have to like go up the bridge, then you go and talk to somebody, but then exit the game, and then or teleport during the game. It's actually a really tough glitch because you have to catch an Abra before you can do this glitch, and the Abra's only move that it knows at that level is teleport. So you have to get lucky enough to catch that Abra, and then you can do the glitch. So it's actually very difficult. But good luck if you want to check it out. So for this one, this happened to be the felt for me. The maximum force for the felt on the table was 3.5 newtons, and the force of constant velocity was 2.5 newtons. And to get the coefficients, all I need to do is plug it into these equations. So it's F max divided by the normal force. Well, in this case, the normal force is equal and opposite to the weight. So if I take the total weight of my apparatus, which in this case I included 2 extra masses, you can totally do that if it helps you get better results, but the coefficient stays the same. So I would just have to mass this out, divide my 3.5 newtons divided by the normal force, which is equal to the weight, and that would get me my coefficient. And again, this is a dimensionless unit. So I'm going to do this for 3 different things. The felt on the table, which is what you just saw, the cork on the table, which uses the little like boxes or boats, and then the wood on the table, which I can just take my, there's wood ones over available, or I could just flip my felt one over. The felt ones, there's only 3 of them, 4 of them, sorry, so just make sure you're sharing with your classmates once you gather the data. We'll post-lab this a little bit on Monday, or on the next day, and we'll talk about it then. All right, but other than that, it's a really simple lab. So good luck.